Welcome to this video guys. In this video we are going to make this vertical support, and this is the practical application for it, that is Scotch Yoke mechanism, and we are making the Scotch Yoke mechanism in these parts. So in this part we are going to make the vertical support. Let's begin. Open a part file guys, and here just change the background to plain white, top plane, and click on sketch. Select the center rectangle and guys make here a rectangle like this. Be sure that you have selected mmgs, that is millimeters, as units. Now select smart dimensioning tool guys and specify the length of this line as 40 millimeter and specify the length of this line as 30 millimeter. After that you need to go to features, select extruded boss base guys. 10 millimeter extrusion is fine for this part, so check this box. Let's define some appearance so that it looks some better. In plastic eyeglass, you can specify any appearance you like guys, so I am specifying this red one. And now click on this face, select sketch. Now select the circle guys and make a circle at this origin. And then guys we need to specify the diameter of this circle as 12 millimeter, and then simply go to extruded boss base and here simply extrude it up to this much length guys, 37 point. I'm writing this dimension because when making the Scotch Yoke mechanism we want this much height, so check this box and let's specify again this appearance. Okay, and now we want to make a circle, but we want this plane that cut this circle right in the mid. So click on sketch, select a circle, make sure that you trace the center line and make a circle here guys. Press escape button. Now press Ctrl button from your keyboard, select the circle and this line, make relation tangent. Now specify the diameter of the circle as 12 millimeter, that is the same as that of the previous cylinder. And now guys go to features, extruded boss base. This time we are going to use the thin features. First we need to select the mid plane guys, mid plane, because we want the extrusion on both sides. Now select this thin feature and here specify that this thin feature parameter as 4 millimeter, and the length of extrusion I want the same as diameter, 12 millimeter. And one problem guys, this thin feature should be inward. This thin feature should be inward, make it inward and check the box. Now select the surface and click on sketch. Since I want the circle, so I am clicking here convert entities, and this circle is already been converted. By the way, you can make the circle of 12 millimeter diameter here. Go to extruded boss base and up to surface guys, simply select this surface and automatically this surface is generated. Alright, now we are left with the holes and the fillets. So first make the holes for the bolts because we are going to fix it. Select this face and click on sketch. Make a center rectangle for the reference because we are going to convert it into construction geometry. Specify the length of this line guys, 27, and then simply specify the length of this line as well guys. Okay, now click on this surface and make it as construction geometry, or you can press Ctrl button, select all of these lines and scroll down a little bit, and here you need to find for construction. Just check this box and click OK. All of these lines have been converted into the construction geometry. Now select the circle and make a circle here guys. 4 circles are needed, 3, 4. Press escape button. Now press Ctrl button, select all of these circles. Make sure to press Ctrl button guys. Make relation as equal. Now we only need to specify the diameter of one circle. So specify here 5 and all of the circle have equal 5 diameter. So this is a shortcut guys. Go to features and extruded cut. Here simply select through all and then check this box, and we are done with the holes. And now we are left with the fillets. So select fillet tool, and while selecting this corner we have an option. If we click on this first option, then the rest of the corners will always also get filleted. 10 mm is fine. Now select the fillet command again, guys, and this time I want to change the radius from 10 millimeter to 2 millimeter because this radius should be smaller. So this is fine. Now again select the fillet tool, guys, because we want to fillet these corners as well. If I select this first option, guys, or second option, it gives us all the fillets automatically. So I want to select this first one, and since the fillet is too large, make the parameter 1, and that's it. Similarly, guys, again select the fillet command and just select this one, and simply we have this bar. So click on first option and the second face will automatically get filleted. So this is the tutorial, guys, where we have make the vertical support. So save it as vertical support. We will definitely be assembling it with the Scotch yoke mechanism. See you in the next video, guys.